Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube picture or change your YouTube profile picture. So obviously the first thing you're going to want to do is be signed on to YouTube. Hover up here next to your profile picture currently, click on it, and you're going to want to go to your channel. So click on that. And then next you'll see your channel here. So scroll over to your current profile picture, which should just be a letter, and click on it. It's going to tell you you can edit your profile picture on your Google account, so click on edit. From here you could upload a photo, so I'm going to click on here, go over to the pictures I have on my desktop. I'm going to get this nice little picture of this duck, upload it, and there we go. It is shaped perfectly. Click on done. And now my profile picture is this lovely duck. So if this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.